Hello everyone. I'd like to thank you all for attending this iMindQ webinar, which will be focused on how iMindQ through mind mapping can help sales reps and account managers organize their daily activities through a unique set of tools which iMindQ offers. With me today is my colleague Bojan Popovski, who will present the solution to you. Bojan.
Thank you, Bojan. Hi everyone. As my colleague mentioned before, this iMindQ webinar is targeted to all sales representatives and account managers that work on improving their efficiency and improve their effort in order to be more productive with their everyday activities. How I'm going to start and move through the presentations, I'm going to cover three very important aspects regarding the sales representatives, and those are how they can create activity planners. The second one, how can sales representatives and account managers keep important information in one map. With this theme, I'm going to cover how they can import and attach files and hyperlinks to different certain topics and files in order to have a lot of information regarding specific clients or certain products from the company. And last but not least, I'm going to show you how you can create very insightful presentations that can be used when you want to impress your clients and meet your targets. I'm going to start with how you can create activities planner, and I'm going to show you a pre-prepared map as a personal planner. Here we have all the tasks, all appointments, seminars, information about actual clients, potential clients, and competition clients. For this reason, I'm going to start with creating this personal planner from scratch. For that reason, I'm going to start with a balanced mind map. In the previous webinars, my colleagues have already showed you how you create a balanced mind map. I'm going to repeat those steps. From the file menu, I'm going to the new sub menu, and I'm going to use the balanced mind map because I want every topics in my mind map to be centralized around the central topic, and I want them to be kept in one mind map. For this reason, I'm going to create a personal planner from scratch. It's my personal planner, and I want to keep all of my tasks and important information about my clients. I'm going to start with how you can create your weekly tasks, your your task for this month, and for your appointments during the month. I'm going to use the insert key for inserting additional topics. I'm going to name these tasks. I'm going to insert another task as an appointment, and the third one as, for example, seminars that I want to attend. Regarding the tasks subtopic, here I'm going to cover three basic elements and one additional for how you can manage your task. I'm going to start with this week's tasks. For me, in order for me to be able to create specific tasks about this week, I will use the task info panel from the right side, and I will insert another subtopic, and this will be my this week tasks. For this task to change the information, I'll use the task info panel, and I'll change the name, for example, conduct market research. As I move on in changing all of the information, you can see that all of the information that I'm changing at the moment are immediately visible in the mind map. So you have a view of what you're doing and how you're editing your task. I'm going to change the priority, the percentage of complete. For example, I've already done this task to the half. I'm going to change the start date, today and 2 days from now, the duration, and I'm going to insert a resource. For example, my colleague Brian can help me and can do this task. For me, in order to be able to see all of the information, iMindQ has an option to filter the information that you want to be visible and in the mind map. That can be done by clicking the display options. When you click on that, you have another window opened. As you can see, I have display options, and I have information and options to choose whether this information should be visible in the mind map or not. I'm going to deselect all of them, and for example, I want this time I want to have information only about the percentage of complete, the start and finish date, and the resources that I have for this task. And when I click OK, I have that that information visible in the mind map. The second option for editing your weekly tasks is the collaboration option that iMindQ offers to the users of iMindQ, and offers with collaboration with Microsoft Outlook. I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, I'm going to create another, for example, another topic. For example, this month tasks. And for example, I have pre-prepared tasks previously added to my MS Outlook, and I want them to be visible in my mind map. Yes, you can do that by simply using the Exchange ribbon, from the Exchange ribbon and Collaborate group of options. You can use the 4 different options from MS Outlook. The first one is if you want is allowing you to import tasks from MS Outlook. I'm going to click on that. I'm given another window from which I will choose which tasks I want to be added to my mind map. For example, I will use this task. And when I click import, I have all of the information and that about that specific task inserted in iMindQ, so I don't have to go and switch between different programs. The second option is if I want to export and have certain tasks that are pre-prepared and inserted in the mind map, and I want them to be visible in my tasks group and my tasks option in MS Outlook. I can insert and add this conduct market research task in MS Outlook by using the export to MS Outlook option. It can be also found in the Exchange ribbon, and you go to the Collaborate group, you click on the Outlook menu, and you click on the Export to MS Outlook option. I'm given an options to choose from, whether I want to export only the selected tasks, or I want all the tasks from my mind map to be exported to MS Outlook. Now I'm going to choose only my selected tasks, and I want them to be added to my tasks folder in MS Outlook. When I click OK, and when I go to MS Outlook to my tasks, I have this conduct market research task immediately inserted in MS Outlook. So I have the task also in iMindQ and in MS Outlook as well. The third option is very useful if you want to create a task that is going to be immediately inserted in iMindQ and in MS Outlook as well. I will name that, for example, this next week's task. And in this subtopic, next week's task, I want to add another task that will be added in MS Outlook as well. I use the Create MS Outlook Task option from the Outlook feature in the Exchange ribbon as well. When I click on that, I have a window that from MS Outlook, and you can see that this collaboration option is actually allowing you to insert the task and the task options immediately in the MS Outlook, and you have that information in MS Outlook and in iMindQ as well. I'm going to name it, for example, conference meeting. I'm going to add different start date, the different due date, and I'm going to change the priority as high. When I click Save and Close, I have that information also in iMindQ. For example, if you want to make certain changes to this mind map, you can do that by simply clicking on the MS Outlook task icon that is inserted in the tasks, and you have the window of MS Outlook option immediately visible in your on your desktop, and you can make certain changes to these MS Outlook tasks. Last but not least, from the Exchange ribbon and the Outlook option is the that you can create appointments regarding a specific interest of field. For example, you work on a specific product and or specific clients, and you want to create appointment with them. You can just insert another subtopic, and from the Outlook you go to the Create MS Outlook Appointment, and you have a window from MS Outlook to create appointment regarding this specific client. For example, client meeting name, the location, conference room, the start date, start time today, and I can change all the other information. Depends on my need as well. When I click Save and Close, I have that client meeting appointment and all of the specific information about that appointment that is regarding this client, and all of the information about the start and time, the recurrence, participants, and the location are inserted in this field. Furthermore, I'm going to show you the how you can insert and keep important information in one map regarding specific clients. From the personal planner, I'm going to use this map in order for me to be able to show you the option for inserting different types of properties regarding a client. iMindQ has a very unique option to insert custom properties for specific topics. How you can do that? For example, I want to insert information for my client number one, and I want them to be visible in the mind map. For example, I want to know the company name, I want to know the number of employees, and so forth, and I want that information to be added to my mind map. How you can do that? You go to the Insert ribbon, and by clicking from the Topic Elements group, you click on the Properties option, and you have a panel inserted on the right side. I've mentioned before, I want to know the company name, so I can insert the name of the property, the type, and the value. I'm going to show you how you can filter the information here in the Custom Properties field. Let me now insert the dimensions that I want to be added to my client number one, company name. The new property would be number of employees. The third one would be their income, the industry that they're working at, and my contact person. As you can see here from the second field, we have a type. And when we double click on that field, we have 6 different options how we can filter the information that is inserted in that custom properties. And we have a Boolean, number, text, date, time, and date and time. This depends on the need that you have for that specific property name. For the company name, I'm going to leave you the text. For the number of employees, I'm going to use the number. For the income, because it's a number, I'm going to use the number as well. And for the industry and contact person, I'm going to leave text as well. When I want to insert all the necessary information, I'm going to use the value field. For the company name, I'm going to insert, for example, company X. I'm going to insert a number of 50 employees. The income, 2,500, for example. The industry, airline, and my contact person, Brian. So as you can see, what I've did is I've inserted the values regarding these properties, and I have every information that I want to know about my clients visible in the actual clients field. So you don't have to go to different programs and different softwares in order for you to be able to see the information. You have all of the information in the mind map. And by using this option, you can be more productive. And no matter how many different clients you have, how many informations you have, iMindQ allows you to insert a lot of information and a lot of data in the mind maps as well. Regarding this, the theme and the aspect that I'm covering right now about keeping important information, I'm going to proceed to my sales plan. For that reason, because I want to show you how you can keep every important information about a mind map and about your clients and products in your sales plan. For this reason, I'm going to show you how you can insert hyperlinks to a specific topic from different mind maps, and how you can attach very important documents that are necessary for this that are necessary for your mind map. I'm going to start, for example, in my sales plan, I have existing customers, and I have business strategies and tactics, and I want to choose among existing customer base. What I mean with this is that I want to go to that specific mind map that I have already inserted information about our customers and clients, and I don't want to switch between different maps. I just want to link them. You can do that by simply selecting this topic, and from the insert ribbon, you click on the hyperlink option. The hyperlink window allows you to insert hyperlinks between topics, web pages, files, and send that as a mail. I'm going to click on the topic option, and from the topic option, I can choose among different topics that are already inserted in this mind map, or I can browse in different mind maps. I will click on that. I will choose the personal planner mind map, and iMindQ allows you opens every topics and subtopics that personal planner mind map has. If I want to, for example, for this, choose among existing customer base to get information about my actual clients, I'm selecting it. When I click OK, I have the icon about this mind map. When I click on that, I'm immediately transferred to the mind map that consists the actual client field, and I have those information that I've pre-prepared for this personal planner sales plan. That's the first option. And iMindQ allows you another option to keep all of the important information for this sales plan by attaching files, different files like Microsoft Word files, Microsoft PowerPoint files, or Microsoft Excel files as well. For example, for our business predictions you as a salespeople, you want to read the reports and have important information about the sales objectives or anticipation. For example, I want to have all the targets of my team inserted in the sales objective field. You can do that by simply using the attach option. You click on that, you search for your document. Here it is, the targets, and you just insert that document to the mind map. What you can do is when you present this to your colleague, you can open your iMindQ and your Excel file in iMindQ anytime you want, because this Excel file, is inserted in the mind map. When I click on that specific file, you can see that the Excel file is opening, and any information regarding our monthly targets and for all of my colleagues, I have them inserted and visible in the Excel document as well. And last but not least, what is very unique about iMindQ is that it has an option to gather online information and impress your clients with insightful presentations about how how you're very good at knowing their products, and how you made a very deep research, in-depth research about their products. I'm going to show you how you can use the research module for that specific purpose. For that thing, I'm going to use the mind map from sales plan, and I'm going to use the search for potential client options. The research module is a panel on the right side. When you click on it, you have a research module option immediately inserted in the right field, and you have 4 different options to choose, the 3 different options to choose from, and those are the Google Images, the Open Clip Art, and Google Search. You have different options to choose from. For example, for my client number 1, I want to insert Google Images. I want to insert an image. For example, I'm going to search for iMindQ. And the photos should be inserted in the this field as well. Let me just start from the beginning. And I'm going to use the Google image. Okay, let me just fix it. And we've experienced some technical difficulties, but it's happening sometimes with the internet. Never mind. We have all the images regarding this client, for example, iMindQ, and you don't have to go to different softwares and switch between different softwares in order to get all of the information and the images and all of the stuff from the internet. You can just take the information by simply dragging and dropping the pictures anywhere, anytime you want on that mind map. So I want to use this mind map. I'm dragging and dropping it, and I have that specific mind map, with a picture inserted in the topic. Moreover, I want to choose. I want to insert a link for this client. For example, iMindQ, and if I want to show how I've done research and I know this client very well, and I want to have all of their information, their links, or their the texts about them, I just simply drag and drop that in the mind map. So how I'm going to do it is simply dragging and dropping it, and I have the text link and the link as well. When I click on it, I'm immediately transferred to imindq.com website as well. And the third thing is that when you want to insert specific text about iMindQ, and we want to show the information regarding iMindQ, you can just simply look for iMindQ and look for what is iMindQ, and just you select the text, and by simply dragging and dropping it to the client tree text information, you have the text information option immediately inserted in your mind map. So you have a lot of information regarding your client, and with this option you can very easily present what you have done, and that you've done your homework regarding your client. Last but not least that I want to show you is the collaborate option. The option for collaboration with your colleagues or clients. For example, if they're not using any specific mind mapping tool like iMindQ, and they want to show what you have done about your sales plan, you can do that by simply exporting this iMindQ map in a HTML document and send that to your colleagues. How you can do that? You go to the Exchange ribbon, and from the export subgroup, you click on the export to HTML map. You're choosing the destination on the desktop. And when you go to your desktop, you have HTML document. When you click on it, you have the mind map immediately opened in your web browser. With this option, all of your colleagues can make certain changes to your mind map, delete some topics, insert topics, and allow what they want to do. And if they want to show what changes they have made regarding this mind map, they can save this mind map as another HTML document and send it to you as well, and you will be able to see what they have done before. How you can do that? You go to the menu option, you go to export HTML option. When you click save, you have that HTML document in the desktop and when you on your computer. And if you want to show and to see the changes that they have made, you just simply click on that and you have the information here as well. So more or less, these are the most important features about iMindQ and its usage about for salespeople and account managers. Now I'm going to check if there are any certain questions regarding this field. I can see that there are no any questions. So I would like to thank you all for attending this live iMindQ webinar. For more information, you can visit our website, imindq.com, anytime you want, and you can contact our sales representatives if you want to learn more and about our very powerful mind mapping software. Thank you all.